Hi traders, this is Chris here. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. This is the weekly Forex forecast for the 2nd of October. So we're going to find out what's going parabolic this week, where the big trends are, where we can get in and make some money. Before we do that, we're just going to have a look at this week's news from the 2nd of October. So I'll be going over the Forex trades, oil trades, gold trades, of course, and doing the weekly analysis in the next 15 minutes. So please join me and enjoy the next 15 to 20 minutes or so. So on Monday, it's unusual for Monday. Mondays is usually there's no news, but nonetheless we've got at 3 p.m. UK time, GMT, we've got manufacturing PMI. That could liven things up. That could be a lot of fun for gold. So we'll have a look at that. But also note for Monday, Fed Chairman Powell speaks, and that usually causes markets to be a little bit quiet. So we'll have to wait and see. Tuesday, we can see that we've got JOLTS job openings at 3 p.m. UK time, GMT. So that will affect the US dollar. That could be fun. Wednesday, we've got ISM services PMI, which is massive. So that could be good fun as well, 3 p.m. Thursday. Unemployment claims, the usual thing at 1:30, and then Friday the big one, non-farm payroll, which we love those days, don't we? A lot of volatility and some great opportunities coming up this week. So join me. If you're not a member, then pop in and have a look at the membership. All links are below. So for you beginners, or for you people coming into my YouTube channel for the first time, welcome. But I want to explain what parabolic means and what it means for us, and so on. So a parabolic trend is the most powerful trend you can get in the market, and if you trade it, you'll make a lot of money. And this has been parabolic, the US dollar index, the DXY, and as you can see, this blue dot here confirms that there is support for the price. This indicates that all the buys are in, and we've got the normal MACD confirmation as well. Now this was parabolic, this was parabolic, this was parabolic, but now there's been a change of character. That doesn't mean it's going to go down necessarily or reverse, but this is no longer a buying opportunity for the DXY, and the dollar is likely to be weak this week. So we had our target of 106.59, it hit it, bounced off it, and now change of character. So we have to work out a new target. So the new target for this week is back down to 104.80 or thereabouts, because there was resistance line there. This is now turned into support. So we're likely to see something like this, if I can use that tool from last week, something like that happening, and then possibly upwards from back up there, and we'll make new targets. Now what we do in the membership during the New York session, I do another video going closer to the market, getting into the 4-hour chart, looking for sniper trades, looking for swing trades where you can profit more often. Now the yen futures contracts are really important to us because they give us the correlation to where the yen pairs are going. Okay, so when we see that all the sellers are in, and we have a parabolic trend to the downside, as this has been for quite some time, then that's the opportunity to buy the yen pairs. That's how it works. That's the correlation. Now we have all the sellers in, getting ready to sell off this. This could be big, as I've previously mentioned for members, and I'm going to review the targets. So I did expect this price to move up to this area here. It didn't happen. It came up to there, quite a narrow pullback, which indicates further downside is likely. So we're likely to see the price come down to this area here, which is going to act as a kind of support, 65.43. By the time it does that, of course, the MACD would have converted probably Monday morning. So look out for that. This means that all the yens are rising. Great chance to make a lot of money. On to the indices. The Dow Jones is very weak. It's broken this structure here, which, if held, is going to continue down to 32,515. All the sellers are in. It's going parabolic. Sell resistance is at 34,371. Target 32,515. I'm only interested in parabolic trends. That's the only thing. So when I see that something's not parabolic, completely ignore it, throw it away, because it's not tradable. It's not worth it. And you'll be scratching around looking for trades all day long that way. So just choose the parabolic when all the sellers are in. MACD confirms, everything's red, it's got resistance. This is the Hang Seng, so this is going down to 16,742. Onto the FTSE. This is not yet parabolic, okay, so not tradable at the moment, but it's very, very close. And if you're a member, we'll be talking about this in the New York session, and I'll be putting in some alerts into the VIP room. The VIP room is a Telegram room. If you want to join, it's free for 14 days, and I update you every few hours what's going on. So a great service, I hope. But this is the FTSE 100, and it's holding on to this support area here at the moment. It's had change of character to the downside, so that's a reversal sign, but not quite parabolic yet. Probably Monday morning. On to Bitcoin. This has broken structure to the upside. This has broken the triangle formation, which is fantastic. We've got a fresh buy signal on the Advanced Pro charts. The Advanced Pro charts are available. I only coach a handful of people. I'm not bothered whether you take it or not. Totally up to you. But break here indicates further upside momentum. We have all the buyers in, and the MACD has confirmed as well. Target 31,700. Sorry, the support area is 25,967. That's the support area there. So your support is here. The risk to reward is massive. On to gold, finished at 1847 on Friday. So a lovely move. It went parabolic. Congratulations to all the members who had that move. Fantastic move, wasn't it? Hopefully you got a couple of hundred pips out of that break of this structure here. We had a triangle formation holding on to support, but then it broke quite quickly in the last few days. And continued downside is likely. So therefore, we can expect a pullback back up to this area here, 1862, probably Monday morning. So we keep an eye on that. And don't forget, we are going live on YouTube Monday morning. Technology provided for being reliable, that is, but we should be fine. So a pullback is likely before it rolls down to 1825. I'll be doing a separate YouTube video on gold, the technicals on that in the next few hours. Onto the Forex, and this is the euro dollar. Now, as I said, I'm not interested in anything that's not parabolic, but what I am interested in is something that might convert in the next few days for members. So as we go through the week, we'll be keeping an eye on the euro dollar. The DXY has change of character, i.e. a reversal indication, and therefore we may see a weaker dollar, which will drive the euro dollar up. We're not going to be interested in this until we get the conversion full. It's broken this downward trend line, but we will watch this during the New York session, see where it goes. Once it goes parabolic, we'll be going long, target 11079. Congratulations, members, if you traded the pound USD in a parabolic trend. So let's do some maths here, just for a bit of fun. So there's the sell signal in the Advanced Pro charts. There's the parabolic trend. So that's 539 pips, 530 pips down to the bottom there. So you could have done a swing trade, as mentioned in the 4 hour in the members area, and onward and downward it goes. So again, very similar to the euro dollar in that we could see a conversion in the next few days to the upside. And if we get that, we can see where the target is, can't we? 12971. Again, congratulations, members. If you've been trading the US yen, parabolic works. And the great thing about parabolic trends, if you're trading these parabolic trends, is you never get stopped out. Ever get stopped out because they're so far away. So this enables you to hold on to the position without any risk of being stopped out. So if you're fed up with being stopped out, then you know what to do. Just trade the parabolics on the daily. So this is the US yen. I need to get into this a little bit deeper during the week for members to ensure it's still parabolic. It looks like it is. All the buyers are in and there is support for the price. Target is 150.18. The Kiwi is parabolic. New Zealand USD went parabolic a couple of days ago. As you can see, all the buyers are in. MACD confirmed support for the price, and we've had change of character on the lower time frame. So this is what the projection was, exactly how it's worked out, and the target for this week is 62.20. Support for the price is 58.87. Let's work out the risk to reward on that. Depends where you get in, of course. We got on a bit earlier. So you'd have a stop here of 93 pips and a target of 243. So that's 2.6 times risk to reward. The Aussie yen, hopefully you're still in the Aussie yen, and it continues to be parabolic. And this, the beauty of the parabolic trends. I've been doing this for 41 years and using this same system on stocks, shares, Forex, commodities, oil, gold, and it's so consistent. Bitcoin, it just works, and it just keeps you in the market for much longer because of the stops being so wide. They're way beyond 2 times ATR, so you just relax and just come back each day moving your stop. It's great fun. So here is Aussie yen, and we have support here. And the thing is about being parabolic, you haven't got it getting at the exact price where it says a buy signal, buy signal, buy signal. You can get in here, you can get in here, you can wait for the break of that triangle formation, get in there, get in there, get in there. It doesn't matter where you get in, as long as your stop is at the support area. So the support area for this is 94.36. Target is 99.42. For members, we've had a lot of fun with the Canadian yen, haven't we? Wow, we've had some great moves this week. And again, gone parabolic. Remember what we're seeing in the yen futures contracts. The yen futures contracts are getting ready to go down. Once it goes parabolic, it's going to drive all these prices up. So even though this support area might have a little bit of change of character on the lower time frame, and I'll cover that on Monday, New York session for members. But as long as the price holds here and moves up and breaks this previous high, it's going to 114. Nice 500 pips. We've been waiting for the pound yen to make a move, haven't we, for quite some time? And it looks like it's happening right now. We've got a fresh buy signal in the advanced pro charts, and it's not parabolic yet, of course. We expected this action to happen, and it did, and hit this support area here, and it has. Our projection is 188.50, but it's not parabolic yet. Another one that has recently converted to parabolic hypertrends and is the pound Swiss. So great time to get in. We've got support at 110.80. And we've got all the buys in. Fantastic. We had change of character. So this is going up to 11462. Congratulations if you traded the Aussie Swiss. Hit our target of 58.14 a few days ago. So fantastic move. Continues up and it's breaking this structure now. So we do expect further upside momentum in the next few days. You're going to get something like this back into a wave 4. This could be a big one. Target for this week is 61.12, but it could go a lot higher. Final one for today is the New Zealand Canadian. I don't like these miners very much, but nonetheless, it has gone parabolic to the upside. Change of character on the lower time frames, which is fantastic. We have a target here of, I'm going to go a bit higher here. So around there, that's the previous high. 83.80 seems to be a good one to go for. Support is at 79.50. So that's a nice trade. So just trade it, get in, put your stop here, and then that's your target. And each day you just pop in, move your stop along the way, and you will never get stopped out on the first day. You'll get stopped out up here, but you've locked in a few hundred pips by then. So look out for New Zealand Canadian, Aussie Swiss to the upside, pound Swiss to the upside. New Zealand yen continued upward momentum. Canadian yen continued upward momentum. Aussie yen continued upwards. New Zealand USD has gone parabolic. What else? And gold, of course, is going to continue down to 1825. Look out for the FTSE. That could break down by Monday. Continued downtrend on the US 30 Dow Jones Index. Have a wonderful weekend, and hopefully I'll see you in the members area on Monday during the New York session.